Hi folks, this is the best of Biker Friends 2019. Woohoo!
Hello, YouTube. 1 2 1 2 1 2 Jason 1 2 1 2. Yeehaw!
Hello folks.
Yeehaw!
Hello everybody. How are you? Good to see you again.
Yeah, nice to see you.
If you're watching this, you must be on Ratqueen's page or subscribing. You've seen our stuff, it's good. Keep watching.
Here we go, here we go, here we go. Here we go, here we go, here we go.
Is it on?
Is it on?
Is it on? Are we going? Sure it's on.
Is it on?
Yes.
Ratqueenbikes!
Hi Facebook. Cut. Hi YouTube.
Hello YouTube!
Hiya.
Ratqueenbikes!
Ratqueenbikes!
Yeah! Good morning. Again with fantastic clips. That makes it worth coming. Have to meet you again because you are real.
Hey YouTube!
Right, all the best of Biker Friends for 2019. Have fun.
Hello!
Enjoy. Go for it.
Aloha! Hey! We're on YouTube.
Oh, hello people, are you filming?
Yes.
Oh no, it's that close up.
Aloha!
Hello YouTube. Hey, the Bill's on you, doesn't he?
I'm watching you. Hello, hello, hello. Oh, it's so good to see you.
I don't want to be on that Ratqueen's YouTube channel.
James, I come from Gimble Bay, North Wales, not too far.
I'm Willie. I come see you the hills of Scotland.
What do you reckon then, Willie? Eye candy at the rat show?
There's nothing else for it.
Yeah, it's got to be done. All I want you ladies to look at is the eye candy by the rats.
Get away.
It wasn't me. Having an absolutely shite time.
Got to be there. Got to be there.
Be honest.
Oh, it's fucking amazing.
Oh, look, half a boiled egg.
Oh, hello back and I'm brooking it in up.
Comes out. Happy days. Cheers, guys.
Hey. I'm videoing you.
I feel you can edit it later.
Cheers. For Glasgow. Oh, Copenhagen, should say. I'm having a wonderful time lowering in my bike.
Neck it, lads. Neck it.
Whoa.
Say hello. Away. A thumbs up.
Biker Friends are cool. Thumbs up.
No.
Cheese Bod goes, woo! I hate motorbikes. I wish I booked in that caravan.
Nice meeting both of you.
Subscribe to Ratqueen.
I get a wave.
Oh, you don't know the water,
The brothers, pretty grim brothers, mate. Bye. Bye.
Right, bye.
Bye. Take care. Right, safe.
Oh, thank you.
Cheers!
Alright! Wild mountain!
do this every time. I pack everything up, then realise I forgot the
We've got the girl.
every time. Hello folks, well it's that time again. The end of the rally, we all got to pack up and go home, which is sad. But there'll be another one soon and we'll all be together again. So here's cheers to that.
Yeah, it's been an awesome weekend. So good seeing my friends again. That's what it's all about, isn't it? Well, I hope you've enjoyed, folks, and thanks for watching.